everyone! Welcome to my vlog. So today we're here at the Universal Studios in Osaka, Japan. Tuwa-tuwa yung mga kasama ko. Nimen tai kaishin la ba? Wow! 太多人了吧？ So 你们觉得我们有机会？没有了啦。Friends, na-late na kami nagising. Ay, hindi naman. Maaga kami nagising, but then na-late na kami ng paglabas ng ng Airbnb, kaya it's already 9 o'clock, so hindi na namin na abutan yung yung pre-opening. Kasi kapag medyo maaga, you can go dun sa Mario Brothers, Mario, parang Mario, ganun. Yung Mario na rides without tickets. But then, yun nga, nag-breakfast pa kami, so have time to come early. Pero okay na, ganun talaga. So we just bought a regular ticket. Hindi na kami bumili nung yung fast pass kasi medyo mahal na abutin ata kami ng mga 5,000 or 4,000 NT. So, doon na lang kami sa 2,000 na ticket. So, right now, we're here. Ayan, titingnan natin kung saan tayo makakapasok without, kahit na pupila tayo ng mahaba. So, this is the entrance. Entrance pa lang to, we just got off the MRT. And ayan, kailangan na maglakad. Wow! 云霄飞车，我看到了。Ooh! Kita ko na agad yung roller coaster. Oh my goodness! Okay, so that is the main gate. Wow, look. Parang hindi pa naman nag-uumpisa, wala pang wala pang masyadong tao. Oh. Universal Studios, Japan. Para kami magra-rally, yung daming tao. So we're here inside. Hello! Tonto kayo mga kasama ko sa mga kumakaway. Yeah, so we just got inside. Tapos na i-check yung ticket. Grabe ang init, guys. So mas maganda kung pupunta kayo rito during autumn or spring kasi hindi ganun kainit. Right now, summer here sa Japan. Grabe. Umiiyak ang ating underarm. So right now, wow, ang aking bangs. So right now, since sobrang daming tao, we decided to go to Harry Potter first kasi wala nga kaming fast pass. So we think na marami talagang tao. Yan. And then later, they want to try this. Woo! So sabi ko, na lang. Help ko na lang silang i-video. Ngayon pa lang, sumusuko na beauty ko. Yan. Grabe, ang daming tao, friends. Akala ko walang masyado kasi Wednesday today. Pero, ang dami pala. Ayan, so, kung pupunta kayo rito, agahan nyo, and hindi ko pa masabi kung worth yung fast pass kasi hindi pa nakakasakay. But we will gonna try. Yay! So guys, welcome to the world of Harry Potter. Wow, ganda! Andito pa lang ako sa gate, guys. Hindi pa nakakapasok. I love it here na. Oh, there's the butter beer. Look, this is a restaurant. Akala ko sasakay. Hindi pala, restaurant lang. So friends, when you're here, don't forget to bring water. Ang isang bote ng water dito is 100 yen or 200. Yan. And then, ang CR, hindi ganun kadami. Kaya dapat mag-CR na kayo pag may nakita kayong CR. Friends, pumila kami dito for 45 minutes and we don't know what. Ooh.
さあ今日は皆さんはつを探しにここへ来られたのですか？こちらの方にもどうぞ奥の方までお進みください。奥までお進みください。それに奥までお進みくださいね。どうぞ。
Acres of fine. And this wound matches well with an owner who's a bit of a maverick. Someone with a rebellious streak. As I dare say you found your perfect match. For not so ever, waga michi o iku mao tsukai ni fusamashi. Aragao tsuyosa. Kokoro ni hinata mo. So, anata.
Guys, bebentahan ka ng one. So this is the first step or the first area for you to stop by if you're coming here sa Harry Potter area ng Universal Studio. Woo! So guys, we're on our second ride. Andito pa rin kami sa Harry Potter. And we don't know what is this. Pero sa loob siya. Naku, huwag naman sana nakakatakot. I'm scared. Hindi, joke. Ano daw to, nakakahilong ride. Siguro yung 3D nila.
2 hours later.
Hi friends, so we're just done with the Harry Potter ride. And okay naman siya. Kumbaga yung 3D interactive na na rides. Medyo nakakahilo but it's okay. And so now, ang haba ng pila, mabilis din naman. Kahit na wala kaming yung fast pass. So okay lang 'yun. So right now we're going to check other rides. Alabas kami. And so we're here at Mel's Dine-In. Yeah, we're gonna eat burger. Sobrang init sa labas. This is avocado burger. Yeah. Cheeseburger. Okay. Yes. And then, puro burger. Daming tao guys. Ang init sa labas.
We would like to ask you again for an important favor. Please refrain from flash photography inside the theater. At the conclusion of the show, please remain in your seats until the lights are turned on. Thank you very much for your cooperation. And now, we proudly present to you, here at Universal Studios Japan,
Ayan, so we just finished watching a show. So, okay naman siya. Although hindi lang natin naintindihan yung yung monologue. But the English songs are okay. Yan, so dito. Yan yung pinanood namin. Rock and roll shows. So, medyo mainit na kasi ngayon. It's around 1:30 here. So, nagpalamig-lamig kami after kumain. And then now, we're going to Snoopy rides daw. So, now we're going to take the, Snoopy World. Ayan. Gusto nila mag-rides. Yeah, friends, we're here. Actually, onti lang yung mga yung mga rides niya. Mas madami yung mga bilihan. For example, sa sa isang area, isa or dalawang rides lang. Yung iba puro puro merchandise na. And then a restaurant. No. Play. Yeah. Nice one. Woo! 这个转这个转啊！哇！真是，高呀！哎，打不那个谁了？哎！叫那个讨厌你！Sasakyan namin to. Oh my God, wish me lang. Guys, grabe, yung kalalabas lang namin. Yan, nilaro namin yan. Sinakay namin yan. Grabe. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam, para kang nililipad talaga. But then, yun nga lang masakit sa balakang kasi 1 hour kami nakatayo nagantay for our turn. Pero okay naman siya. So, right now, we're going to the Mario, area. We're gonna try. I think that will be our last area to cover today. Friends, ayan, bumalik ako dito sa may Harry Potter because we need to buy this. Kailangan daw matikman to kapag nandito sa Universal Studio Japan. Then the butterbeer. So this is non-alcoholic. Akala ko naman beer. Tikman natin. Lang yung parang float, saucy float, pero masarap. Yun lang pala yun, akala ko naman as in beer talaga. But it's okay. Try nyo po, 1 glass for 800 Japan yen. Di ba may butter? Cheers! So, ito yung Water World. Ngayon lang namin nakita, sayang. Andito pala yung mababasa ka. So, right now, we're going to try to go inside the Nintendo. Kaya lang, mukhang madaming tao. Grabe ang pila, diba? Saan ka naman pupunta? Guys, ito pila ng Mario. Diba? Hindi ko alam anong meron. Sobrang haba. We're not able to go inside the Mario kasi kailangan daw pala ng ticket yun. Kumbaga, another ticket para makapasok kayo. May time ticket sila. So now, dito na kami bumagsak sa Jurassic Park. Ayan. So, tignan natin kung anong mangyayari, kung ano naman masasakyan natin. I hope wala nang masyadong pila kasi naman na hapon na. What time is it? 3:15, so 4:15 in Japan time. So, sana maka-ride kami. Ewan ko lang kung masakyan ko to. Woohoo! Sumakit na ulo ko kanina doon sa sa sinakyan ko, parang ganyan din. Welcome!
Was it really that high? Was it really that high?
このラグーンに生息するウルトラサウルスは地球上に存在した最大級の小型のプレートの質を伝えることにし、アルカウルスのような解析から身を守ります。
After namin doon sa Jurassic, we decided not to go to the yung roller coaster kasi pipila na naman kami ng 1.5 hours. Guys, yun yung Jaws, it's a movie, but right now it's closed siya, so hindi namin napuntahan. that is the end of our Universal Studio Tour! So, ayan, paano guys? So, from 9 a.m. until now, nandito pa rin kami. It's already 6 p.m. Grabe, pagod. But, worth it naman siya. Kahit na pumila kami ng mahaba, hindi kasi kami bumili ng fast pass. But it's okay. Mabilis lang naman yung pila. Kasi halos doble yung, yung price kapag kumuha ka ng fast pass. Coming here is okay kasi, naman, okay yung train nila. Although, titingnan mo nga lang kung saan station ka sasakay, but madali lang, hindi ka mahihirapan. So, paano ba yung friends? Still here muna tayo and we're going back to our Airbnb, papahinga. And then tomorrow, we're going to Tokyo. So, ayan, nandito ako sa gitna ng Universal. Yee! So, thank you for coming with us. Bye! Kambay!